In today's tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a poll on Snapchat. If you were also wanting to do a poll, then you've come to the right video because I'm exactly going to show you. From your Snapchat, you simply need to open up your camera option on the bottom. Now once you do that, you can either upload a picture from your phone or you can straight take a snap. Now once that is complete, you'll see on the right panel various options. You'll need to tap on the third, which is the stickers option. Once you do that, it's going to show you all of the stickers that are available on Snapchat. Now make sure that you selected the star option right here, and on the top you'll have a few options. You can tap on the poll right here. Now once you do that, you can easily type in any questions, and you can also change in the emojis. Tap on the emoji and you can change it to any emoji that you want, but there is no option to add in text. You'll need to work with emojis, and there you go. You can now easily add it to your story and you can simply post it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you are new here. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more similar videos. Thanks for watching.